Hey guys, it's Linda, and today I have a really special video I want to share with you. I was able to give my parents an extreme room makeover. A little backstory on my parents: they came to America when they were so freaking young. My mom was like 20, 21 maybe. My dad was a few years older, but they already had my older brother, and me and my other two siblings were on the way, and they literally had to learn how to navigate America and raise kids. They've dedicated like their entire lives to supporting us. This is literally like the smallest thing I could do for them to give back to them, and I'm so glad that they loved it. And I'm trying to not get emotional. If you guys haven't told your parents you love them, go do that. Text them, I don't know, get them flowers or food. Just remind them that you love them. Anyways, I want to say a huge thank you to Lull for making this video possible. If you haven't heard of them, they're an online mattress company, and they literally ship the mattress to your door, and all you have to do is take it in, unravel it, and then you have a mattress. It's so much easier than buying a mattress like the traditional way, where you like go into a store, have a delivery person come. This is just easy. If you guys do want to try out Lull, I'll leave the link in the description box, and they also offer a 100-day trial, so if for any reason you don't love it, you can return it. I like softer beds and my parents like more firm beds, and this is like a perfect support but with cushions. It's like the best of both worlds. So try it out, let me know what you guys think, and yeah, I think that's it. Let's get started. I'm excited to show you guys what it looks like before and then what it looks like after. Okay, so here is the updated room. My dad did the floors. They look so much better than the carpet. And then he painted the walls. That's like a grayish blue color, and then like an ivory on the other side. And I got most of the stuff from IKEA. It was literally crazy in there, but we made it out after like, I think 4 hours in there. That's Lina, that's Ryan, and they're gonna help me build everything. Yay. Yay. Oh, so sturdy. Sugar be sweet, and the world doesn't sleep when you fall. Okay.
You guys both laugh like that?
Okay, this is Lina. And we're going to race to build a nightstand. Are we gonna race opening it too, or we're gonna like open it up? No, we're gonna race opening it too.
Dang.
I mean punch. Ready, set, go! Wait, what happens if I win?
What'd you guys bet?
Nothing so far. We didn't have to take a shot. What? No.
Pull back the sheet. The worlds that we see don't always.
I win. I won. For that to go. What?
Huh? What?
Eyes can lie. So you and I should be human beings and not just pieces in a puzzle we can read. Don't you wanna go outside? So it goes, baby, go.
Okay, so this is the new plan. Ladder, shelf over here. Dresser in that corner. It barely fits, but it'll work. Mommy and Lina, we're gonna paint art for the room. So we have 3 canvases set up. and some paints that would hopefully match the room. So these are the colors we got. It's like green, teal. You do it like all the YouTubers, Linda. She's a pro. Shit, dang, that's out.
Linda, bếp đâu Linda.
Okay, I think we're done. They're kind of random, but they're from us. We're done with our paintings. Here's what it looks like. Oh, Julie.
Cứ đi hai dì ba đi.
Hi, Julie. Okay, here are our painting. This one's my mom's. This is Lina's. This is mine.
Dì hai.
Okay, so most of the room is set up, and now we're going to make the bed frame. You pull it out, I hold the box.
Sugar be sweet, and the world doesn't sleep when you're falling apart. And once in a while, Prince Charming don't smile. In fact, he won't show up at all. So you and I should be human beings and not just.
Okay, so this is what the room looks like right now. We got the mattress in. It looks good. It's so big. And the desk is set up. Everything else is set up. I think we're just gonna put all of the blankets and stuff on now and then show them the room.
Just don't, baby, love, don't you let go. Hanging on for another line. Pull back the sheet. The worlds that we see don't always look the same. Where words have no place and time has escaped. Ooh, that's where our hearts connect.
Okay, ready, set, go, go! Isn't this pretty?
Oh my god.
Beautiful.
Aww.
Oh my god, đẹp quá luôn Julie ơi.
Okay.
Jump on the bed. You're not
Nhìn
sit
giống
on the bed. Ngồi cái giường.
Thôi không có ngồi.
Sao?
Ngồi nhăn hết uổng.
Mẹ ngồi cái đi. Lên, nằm xuống. Nhảy lên đi nè. Cảm ơn hai đứa con gái.
Cảm ơn hai đứa bạn tên. Cực khổ một
Cảm ơn,
ngày.
thank you.
Come in, y'all. Come in. Come in, team. Right into. Babe, come in too.
Okay, I'm recording.
It's okay, come in. À, con muốn làm cái phòng này cho mommy lại hết á. Tại hồi kia mẹ qua Mỹ, mẹ daddy chéo, mẹ giống làm cái đống cho mấy con. Mẹ thương mấy đứa con, mommy don't cry. Hồi nhỏ tới lớn mẹ lo cho mấy đứa con. This is just a little bit for you.
Coi như 24 tuổi là mẹ có 4 đứa rồi phải không? Wow. Nhớ lại còn thấy sợ.
I know, con 28 tuổi mà chưa có con.
Cực thì cực nhưng mà thì là thương tụi con thôi.
Thì thương mommy lại, muốn làm cái này cho mommy and daddy. Okay.
Ok, giờ là mẹ chỉ hưởng thụ thôi, ok?
Yeah, so enjoy it.
Rồi qua đây thì cũng lượm giấy, bỏ báo, làm cắt cỏ, cái gì cũng làm hết. Nói chung là gì cũng làm, tiết kiệm, ăn không dám ăn, sống không dám sống. Thôi không kể nữa, mẹ sẽ khóc.
Okay. Love you.
Ok con.
Một đây làm cái đi. Yeah.
Thôi.
Nhảy lên đây nha. Ready, set, go. So cute. What are you doing?
Ok Linda, mami quay nè. Linda có mẹ mang kiếm cho thấy đường, không thấy đường nhìn luôn. Bây giờ đang ngồi lên cái giường nhỏ nha, vài bữa là được cái giường bự nằm á.